Boom, what's going on, Master Coach? Aaron Guyett here with another benefit of battle rope. This is number 34, whole brain connection. So what I'm talking about with whole brain connection is connecting upper cognitive with lower limbic, right? So our autonomic with our conscious, and connecting right brain with left brain through that corpus callosum, right? Better engagement throughout our entire brain. Whole brain connection means steadier emotional state, better critical thinking skills and logical thought processes, not getting sidelined left or sidelined right. So what tends to happen is people will do one of two things. They'll get over analytical, right, which is not going to be serving for them, or they'll get over emotional, which is not going to serve them, right? Either of those things, if you go too far to the right or too far to the left in that brain, right, you're not thinking clearly. You're not down that smooth thought river, and we want to be down that smooth thought river. So just doing something physical like alternating waves and watching it, right, we're connecting our whole brain just by doing that, right? So the battle ropes in a ton of different movement patterns helps create that whole brain connection, and to me that is an enormous benefit, right? So not only physiologically are we getting better, but psychologically we're getting better too, just by using the battle ropes. Enjoy. Make your next one your best one.